Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English and Literature. Today's lesson is very important. You will not only learn the mistakes, but you will also understand why these mistakes happen. When you under the reason, you stop repeating the same mistake. So today, we will learn 50 common English grammar mistakes with simple explanations. Focus, understand, repeat. Let's start. Part 1, Basic Sentence Mistakes. I am agree. This is wrong because agree is a verb. We do not use am with it. Correct. I agree. She do not coffee. Subject, she is singular, so we use does instead of do. Correct. She's not like coffee. He go to school every day. With he, we add s to the verb. Correct. He goes to school every day. Did not went there. After did, we always use the base form of the verb. Correct. I did not go there. He have a car. With he, we use has, not have. Correct. He has a car. They is playing. They is plural, so we use are, not is. Correct. They are playing. I am, understand. We do not use am with simple present verbs like understand. Correct. I understand. She knows. This has two mistakes. After does not, the verb stays in base form. Correct. She does not know. He can sings. After modal verbs like can, we use the base form of the verb. Correct. He can sing. I am two brothers. We do not use continuous tense for possession. Correct. I have two brothers. Part 2, tense mistake. I am to market. This structure is incomplete. After am, we use verb plus ing. Correct. I am going to the market. She go yesterday. We need the correct past of the verb. Correct. She went yesterday. See him yesterday. Yesterday shows past time, so we do not use present perfect. Correct. Yesterday, he is, eat food. In continuous tense, we use verb plus ing. Correct. He is eating food. I did not ate food. After did, we use the base form. Correct. I did not eat food. She has home. Went is second form. We need the third form here. Correct. She has gone home. I am live here since 2 years. With since or for, we use present perfect tense. Correct. I have lived here for 2 years. He is working here since 2020. The action is still continuing, so we use present perfect continuous. Correct. He has been working here since 2020. Part 3, Preposition Mistakes. Discuss a topic. We do not use about with discuss. Correct. Discuss topic. Married with her. The correct is to. Correct. To her. Depend of you. The correct on. Correct. Depend on you. Afraid from dogs. We use of with afraid. Correct. Afraid of dogs. Good. English. We say good at for skills. Correct. Good at English. Angry on me. We use with emotions like anger. Correct. Agree with me. Listen music. Listen to. Correct. List to music. Part 4. Article mistakes. He is teacher. We need an article before singular nouns. Correct. He is a teacher. Elephant. Use an before vowel sounds. Correct. I saw an elephant. Sun rises in east. We use the for unique things. Correct. The sun rises in the east. She is student. Super. Need the. Correct. She is the best student. I have car. Singular nouns need an article. Correct. I have a car. Part 5. Common confusion. He said me. Say does not take a direct object like this. Use tell. Correct. He told me. Return back. Return already means go back. Correct. Return. Again. Repeat means again. Correct. Repeat. More better. Better. Authoritative. Correct. Better. Very much tired. We use very, not very much. Correct. Very tired. Open the light. The natural phrase is turn on. Correct. Turn on the light. Close the light. Correct phrase. Correct. Turn off the light.
Part 6. Daily Speaking Mistakes. Myself Aaliyah. This is not correct for introduction. Correct. My name is Aaliyah. What is your good name? This is a translation mistake. Correct. What is your name? I am knowing him. Know is a stative verb, so we do not use continuous tense. Correct. I know him. He is having a car. Use simple form for possession. Correct. He has a car. I am here since morning. The action is continuing, so use present perfect continuous. Correct. I have been here since morning. She gave exam. In English, we say, take an exam. Correct. She took the exam. Pass out from school. This is not standard English. Correct. Graduated from school. Today, you did not just learn mistakes. You understood the reasons behind them. Now your task is simple. Repeat these sentences. Practice daily. Use correct forms in your speaking. When you understand and practice, your English improves fast. Subscribe to learn English and literature. Keep learning. Keep practicing. See you in the next class.